If Cash App isn't letting you request money, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Check your internet connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection. A poor connection can prevent Cash App from functioning properly. Update the app. Outdated versions of Cash App may cause issues. Check the App Store for updates and install the latest version of Cash App. Verify your account. Ensure your account is fully verified. You may need to verify your identity with Cash App by providing your personal details and verifying your phone number. Check your balance. Cash App may not allow you to request money if there's an issue with your linked account or balance. Make sure your Cash App account has sufficient funds or a linked bank account. Check for app glitches. If the app is experiencing technical difficulties, try closing and reopening the app. If necessary, restart your device. Confirm recipient details. Double-check the recipient's username or phone number to ensure you're sending the request to the right person. Contact Cash App support. If the issue persists, reach out to Cash App's customer support through the app or website for further assistance.